Countryside Vet Clinic has been very good to the Lewis County Humane Society, and Dr. Fuller has volunteered a lot of her time helping out the animals here, the dogs and the cats, with spays and neuters and vaccinations and health care.
My name is Deanna Fuller. I am a doctor of veterinary medicine and I'm a general practitioner. So I have your spay and neuter certificates for the crew that we did.
Great.
Then I have some rabies certificates for you too.
Okay.
And I think everything's signed. Yay.
Thank you.
Did that already. And then I have my list for what we need to do for today for boosters.
All these.
Yeah, we have quite a list today. Well, let's go in the cat room and we'll get started. I learned to stretch everything I possibly have because resources are limited. Thankfully, I have a great clinic that I work at and they donate a tremendous amount, and then I donate time. Hi, Trouble. You gonna help me today? Do you have anybody new that we need to look at?
She needs tested and she's pregnant.
Okay, we're actually going to get a little blood sample and we're going to feline leukemia and feline AIDS test her. And it's very important, anytime we have anybody come into the shelter, we feline leukemia and feline immunodeficiency virus. So here, you'll hear it called feline AIDS test them. And these are viral diseases that are very contagious between cats. And you can see what a social environment we have here. We don't want to have somebody with that and then spreading it around. Spaying and neutering goals for owned pets are at 6 to 8 months of age. It's much better for their health and for them to remain a member of their household in the long term if they are spayed or neutered. Yeah, we're pregnant. I've quit trying to predict because they can go in 12 hours and I've had them go 7 to 10 days later. But I think it's sooner rather than later, as big as she feels.
You have to have a licensed vet to perform spays and neuters and vaccinations and health care. So you have to have a good working relationship with a veterinarian.
Yeah, she's shy.
Lily I found in a rainstorm. She was huddled in a doorway, and we took her home and we kept her for the weekend and then called the Humane Society, and I took her over there and she had a broken tail, as you can see, and together me and the Humane Society have fixed her all up. Her tail's fixed, she's spayed now, and she has all of her shots, and we're getting rid of some ear mites on her, but that's her story.
How are things at home now?
Very good. She's very playful and she's running around. She's a lot more happier now.
Oh, good. So we have a new kitty that feels so much better.
Dr. Fuller was amazing with her. You know, willing to help, and it's wonderful that they're so helpful with all these little poor animals that have nowhere to go.